So one of the easiest ways to add more iron to your diet is not by eating red meat or taking iron supplements. It's actually not even a food. It's using cast iron skillets.
What?
Yeah, it's actually possible. I remember, I think my mom saying this, some years ago. Now I thought, whatever, that's ridiculous. Well, Mom?
I was wrong, you were right.
Turns out there is actual scientific evidence to back this up. One study, it looked at iron-containing cookware for the reduction of iron deficiency anemia, specifically among children and females of reproductive age. And what they found was that statistically significant increases in hemoglobin and/or iron were observed in 50% of the studies on pots and 1/3 of the studies on ingots. Positive outcomes were observed among children in 50% of the studies, and among female reproductive age women, 2 out of the 7 studies. It says iron-containing cookware could serve as a means for reducing iron deficiency anemia, especially among children. The potential advantages of iron-containing cookware include relative cost, effectiveness, and complementary combination with other interventions. However, further research is needed. I mean, this probably could be one of the easiest ways to add iron to your diet, and you probably weren't even aware that it was a thing. Using cast iron skillets could be especially helpful for those who get their iron from plant-based foods. Now, if you want to see our list of 10 plant-based foods that are high in iron that you should start adding to your diet today, then click on this video over here in the top right, and we'll see you over there.